In this screencast, I'm going to show you how I found my midpoints. So first I have my first two coordinates, which would be 23 and 12 and -3 and 18. So you're going to start off with your equation, which is x1 plus x2 over 2 and y1 plus y2 over 2. So you're going to write it out, and it'll end up being x1 plus y1 equals 23, 12, and x2 plus y2 equals the second one, -3, 18. So you're going to start that out with -3 plus 23 over divided by 2, and 18 plus 12 divided by 2. And if you do that all out, it comes to 10, 15, which will end up being around, in the picture, it'll end up being around the top of Colorado, which will be your midpoint between the two coordinates.